Alright guys, so it comes to my attention that this week is the week of Christmas. So we're gonna give you guys a little gift. And I'm gonna vacuum with the Dirt Devil Endura Reach. You go ahead and grab that out of the closet before I forget. You guys, all the better. My mom's not even home, so I can enjoy making you guys a quiet, peaceful video. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna make this one a very Merry Christmas week, guys. So I don't know what you guys are getting for Christmas. I got myself a Linago heated jacket, guys. I brought that for myself because I needed one. Because my other jacket, guys, it was a tactical heated jacket, but it did not last very long at all. It just like died on me. So yeah, that was not what I envisioned it to be. So we gotta get me a new one. Alright guys, so here we go. Let's get this thing in here and start vacuuming. Here we go, guys. Alright guys, we still got some time to vacuum when the mom gets home. So I'll give you guys one on Christmas morning too, guys, don't worry. Christmas Grinch is trying to sabotage the reaction video, guys. Let's see what's going on. I don't know what's going on, yeah. Right now, I guess. Grinch cord, guys, here we are. The Grinch cord had a tangle on it. It was so bad that it even caused the cord to come disconnected, guys. So I had to fix that. There we go, guys. I fixed it. The Grinch is trying to sabotage my video, guys. So here we go. What do y'all white, really? Stuck up dirt anyways. Well, I guess I could put a little light on here. It's dark and then light. I hope you guys are ready for Christmas. We're vacuuming here real fast before this is clean. I hope you guys are all set for the holiday season, guys. I know I'm as set as I can be, you know. Okay, I'm gonna go back out of here. Got stuck on something, guys, with the cord. That's always a fun chore, kind of get yourself on guard for the item you're stuck on, you know. And guys, this thing is Christmas red. And guys, yes, that vacuum is Christmas red. So yes, that is some color festivities for the holiday. I picked accordingly, guys, for the season ahead, knowing that it's Christmas and Christmas week here. So I hope you all are ready for some good holiday movies. I know I'm going to be. I'm going to be watching a lot of them, in fact. I love the Christmas Story, Christmas Carol. So guys, yeah, I hope you guys will... Oh, I hit the vacuum switch. My bad. With my hand. I'm just trying to wear out the cord so I can put this back in the closet. Because I hope you guys are ready for the week of Christmas. Hope you're ready for the week of giving and doing all kinds of good activities together with your family members. Let me give Patrick here a call in just a minute. Speaking of Patrick, guys, I'm going to go see him soon in January. So I'm going to talk to my neighbor and see if he can take me to CPAT. So guys, oh, see I'm bumping into the water. Good Lord. I hope you guys enjoyed the video of the Endura Reach. So yeah, I got you guys that video done. Hope you guys enjoyed that. And guys, I'll catch you in the next video. And the Evercross H5 has 20 points, 20 miles on it, guys. So that's where we're sitting right there.